Right, you donkey. Think you know food trends? Get ready to have your taste buds blown because we're diving headfirst into the most happening food scenes across the globe. From the streets of Tokyo to the bustling markets of Marrakesh, we're on a mission to uncover the hottest and most delicious trends. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a culinary adventure that will leave you craving more. From Instagram-worthy plates to cooking techniques passed down for generations, we're serving up a global feast you won't want to miss. Japan, you magnificent bastards. You've always been at the forefront of culinary innovation, and now you're showing the world how to do plant-based eating right. We're talking vegan ramen so flavorful, it'll make you question everything you thought you knew about broth. India, you spicy devils. You've always had a knack for bold flavors, and now you're taking it to the next level with fusion cuisine. We're talking Indo-Chinese dishes that'll set your taste buds on fire, and Indian-Italian hybrids that are a match made in culinary heaven. You've taken the best of both worlds and created something truly unique. Mexico, you saucy minx. Your food has always been a fiesta in my mouth, but Oaxacan cuisine is something truly special. The mole sauces are a revelation, a complex symphony of flavors that'll leave you speechless. The street food scene is a vibrant tapestry of colors, aromas, and tastes that'll transport you straight to the heart of Mexico. South Korea, you funky little devil. You've been fermenting your food for centuries, and the world is finally catching on to your genius. Kimchi, that spicy, tangy cabbage, has become a global sensation, and for good reason. You've turned fermentation into an art form, and I, for one, am hooked. Morocco, you fragrant temptress. Your cuisine is a feast for the senses, with vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and bold flavors that explode in your mouth. From the bustling souks to the intimate riads, every meal is a culinary adventure. You've got a way with spices, a magic touch that transforms simple ingredients into works of art. Brazil, you fiery phoenix. Your culinary scene is on fire right now, and Afro-Brazilian cuisine is leading the charge. It's a celebration of your rich cultural heritage, a fusion of African and Brazilian flavors that'll make you want to dance. From moqueca to feijoada, every dish tells a story of resilience, creativity, and a whole lot of flavor. Egypt, you ancient wonder. Your cuisine has stood the test of time, but you're not afraid to add a modern twist. Traditional dishes like koshari and ful madams are being reimagined with new flavors and presentations, and the result is absolutely delicious. Ethiopia, you bold explorer. Your cuisine is not for the faint of heart, but for those brave enough to try it, a world of flavor awaits. Injera, that spongy flatbread, is the perfect vehicle for scooping up spicy stews and lentil dishes. Thailand, you daring gourmand. You've always been ahead of the curve when it comes to food, and now you're introducing the world to the wonders of insect protein. Cricket-based protein powder is becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. You've turned what was once considered taboo into a culinary delicacy. Italy, you classic charmer. Your cuisine has always been close to my heart, but I'm especially excited about the rise of regional Italian dishes. Neapolitan pizza, with its perfectly charred crust and simple, flavorful toppings, is a thing of beauty. Listen up, you lot. As we wrap up our culinary journey, it's clear that food trends are more than just a fleeting fad. They're a reflection of our cultural values, traditions, and innovations. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey around the world. If you've got a favorite food trend or a unique culinary experience to share, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more foodie adventures and culinary explorations. We've got a whole world of flavors to uncover, and I can't wait to share them with you.